How to switch accounts in RedNote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open RedNote app. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then after, click on setting your icon beside profile. After that, at the bottom you see the option of logout. Simply click on it. Or you can simply click on switch account. Once you click on switch account, you need to add an existing account. So click on add account. If you want to log in using your mobile number, search for the country code. Here, as the language is China, so you can simply write your country code. Click on it, provide your number, and a code will be sent to your device. Enter that code, enter your gender and age. After that, choose 4 of your any interest from this page. Click on Start Exploring, then click on Next. And that's it. Now you have switched your account. So that is how easily you can switch account in RedNote app. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.